Hello, everybody. Welcome to the first episode of My Financial Life. It's called The Introduction. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm really like the biggest amateur there is. And all the decisions I make are made on my own research. And I would advise you to not follow my decisions. At this moment, I own stocks, crypto, and a house. And today I will be telling something about my stock portfolio. At this moment, I'm having like 23,500 euros invested with 25 euros cash. This is dividends I got like in the last 2 weeks. And I don't own that much stocks. At this moment, three of them. The first three are like paying me dividends. And if you look at my ETFs, the first two are also dividend ETFs, and the other ones are more following the index, like the All World and the S&P 500. The last couple of years, I'm mainly focusing on dividend stocks and ETFs, and it's good to know that there's a big difference between those two. This one I own 325 shares from an average price of 25 euros. And they pay me dividend each month. Also this month, I will show you later on. But the price of the share itself isn't changing that much. As you could see in this graphic, in the last 3 years, the lowest point is 23 euros and its highest point is 26 euros. So this one is pure dividend. I think it's around 6 or 7% each year. It's quite good. And the Van Eck is paying me 4% dividends, but instead of like compared to the other one, there's a big difference in growth. So this one is giving growth and dividend income. So they are helping each other and helping my portfolio on a different way. Next to those two, I have Agri Reality. I bought like 35 stocks of these when they were pretty low, the same as Mid America, and they were low because of the interest rates that were rising. And of course, when they go down again, the interest rates, the amount of each stock the price is going up again. So I'm really happy with these two. I think like in 6 or 7 months, I made let's say €1,000 profits on them. So that's really good for me. I'm happy with those. Later on in the video, I'm gonna talk about my goals for 2025, and one of these goals definitely is to get more weight into the Vanguard S&P 500. Because if you look at all the stocks I own, there's not much tech in it, and if you just look at this insane growth over the years, yeah, man, well, I hope it will do it again. And besides that, and that's not financial advice, I do believe that when Trump comes, the S&P is going again. It's gonna raise for the next upcoming months. So that's one of my goals: get more weight in the Vanguard S&P 500. For the upcoming weeks, this is the dividend I will be receiving. It's 42 euros from the GPM Global Equity. Sadly, just from 262 stocks. I currently own way more, so in February I will also get more dividend from these stocks. Agri Reality is paying me almost $10. And there's also this month coming Main Street and Mid America. So all that together will be around 90 euros. And that's something I'm really happy with. This snowball is getting bigger and bigger. And I can show you that through this image. What you could see here is that I started investing in like March 21, and I didn't get that much dividends. This is the total amount of dividends in 2021. and they were both in June and July because I had only two stocks, Nationale Nederlanden and ASR, and they both paid me only in this month. As you can see, a year later, it's growing to 268, 86, sorry. And now in 2024, it's almost €1,000. And now in 2025, my goal will be to have even more than this amount. So if it keeps growing, then I'm just really happy, and then we will see what happens in 26 and 27 and 28. For this month, as I told you earlier, I can get like €90 of dividends. And in the end of January, I will be buying more stocks. I think I will be buying again like €1,000 of Vanguard S&P 500 and maybe €1,000 of the Van Eck Morningstar Developed Markets. This one is 1.7% dividend, and these are like 4.6. And both they are also for growth over the years. So that's my goal for this month, but we'll see that later on. It could be that Main Street is, or another dividend stock is, the price is way better at that moment, and then maybe I'll buy these. Then, as I said, my financial goals for 2025 are, first of all, to increase my annual dividends from 1,100 each year to 1,500 each year. And the other one is how I call it, to use the cycle from crypto to stock. And I can explain that a bit. And again, this is not financial advice, it's just how I do it. I've been investing in crypto also. And what I did was, I would always buy crypto in the blue or in the green. It's over here, that's over here, and that's over here. And hopefully it will be again over there. And I will be selling my crypto from the orange lines. So these points. And what I do, the profits I make over here, I put into my stock account, stock portfolio. I'll be buying stocks, dividend stocks. And then later on in the cycle, when it's back to blue, I will shift again some money from dividends that I earn in the stock market back into crypto. And then again, I would use the cycle to keep it there, invest. And then here, get out of the market. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not like the best trader. But if you use like basic sense, then you have to understand that take profit in the yellow, orange, and take profit in the red is very useful to do, especially altcoins. I always sell all of them. Bitcoin I don't, because I do believe that Bitcoin is getting insane prices in the near future, or in the future like 2040. So I would be, I won't sell everything. For this year again, I already sold some Bitcoin, made 5k profit on that. And I also sold some altcoins. A part of that money is already invested in like the S&P 500, the 10 stocks or 9 stocks I have now, or at the GPM Premium Income Dividend ETF. And in the upcoming months, I will be selling more crypto and shift something to my own bank account, to set new orders in the green blue, or shift them into dividends. So this is what I call use the cycle. So these are my two goals: increase my annual dividends and really make use of the cycle. Buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, hopefully, and then buy again low. As I said, this is my first video. I have much to learn how to make videos. If you have any comments on me, please leave it in the link below. Have a nice day, and thanks for the time that you created to watch my first video.